Today we are going to unbox and set up the Apple AirPods Pro 2. After almost 3 years, Apple announced the second generation AirPods Pro. These are a huge upgrade over the original AirPods Pro with stronger noise cancellation, low distortion audio drivers, H2 chip instead of H1, Bluetooth 5.3, 6 hours of listening time instead of 4.5, and an improved case with a U1 chip and a built-in speaker for Find My support. Additionally, the second generation AirPods Pro added a lanyard loop to the case and can be charged by Lightning, wireless charger, MagSafe, and even an Apple Watch charger. Let's unbox the AirPods Pro 2. In the box, you will find the AirPods in a charging case with the medium tips pre-installed. When you open the rest of the box, you'll find the additional different size of tips. Now it includes extra small, small, and large tips in the box. And you'll also receive a USB-C to Lightning charging cable for your AirPods. As soon as you open the AirPods up near an iPhone, you're greeted with a nice animation giving you instructions for setup. I love how simple Apple makes adding a new device to their ecosystem. After my first listen with the AirPods Pro 2, I definitely noticed more clarity in the highs and mids, and with smoother, more punchier bass. And there's definitely less distortion when you listen at louder volumes as well. Music sounds great, and podcasts and other videos sound a lot more clear than they used to. If you already have AirPods Pro and you aren't huge into music, or if you don't listen to them a ton, then the AirPods Pro first generation would be fine to stick with. But if you're looking for new ways to charge with an updated case with better tracking features, an additional ear tip size, and some of the other new features, then buying the second generation would be the right choice for you. If you use your AirPods Pro daily and you regularly listen for longer amounts of time, then you should upgrade as well so you won't have to charge them quite as often. Thanks for watching this video. If you found value in it, please consider purchasing with affiliate links in the description and like this video. Also subscribe to my channel so that you can see all the tech that we will be unboxing and exploring.